Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming the adapter type and compatibility so you don't waste time. If it's PCIe, power down, unplug, and ground yourself. This prevents damage. For USB, pick a USB 3.0 port for faster speeds and plug in now. Once done, position the card or adapter securely, slide PCIe into the slot until it seats, or insert the USB dongle firmly. Make sure you have drivers or an internet connection ready. That avoids a dead stop after physical installation. Now you install drivers and configure the adapter so Windows recognizes it. Run the vendor installer or update via Device Manager. Drivers are why hardware communicates correctly. Once drivers are active, open network settings and enable the adapter, then choose DHCP or assign a static IP as your network needs dictate. After that, select the appropriate band and channel width. This optimizes speed and reduces interference. Make sure to apply regional settings for regulatory. Finally, connect to your network and verify that traffic flows correctly. You select the SSID, enter the password, and confirm the link with a quick ping or speed test. This proves the path end-to-end. Once connected, set adapter priority and power options to prevent sleep-related drops, and disable any conflicting onboard Wi-Fi adapters to avoid conflicts. If something fails, the most useful troubleshooting step is to update or reinstall drivers. Check antenna seating and USB power, and reboot the router. Often that fixes it.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.